Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. You hear a lawnmower in the distance. Sorry. I don't know if that's better or worse. The noise canceling, I either turned on or off. I was thinking about the idea of look both ways before you cross the street. And of course, as is my wont, I tend to think about these things in terms of the arts I practice. And I was kind of thinking that it's pretty sensible advice. Look both ways before you cross the street. I learned that to include even when you're crossing a one-way street. But I was thinking beyond my intention and beyond my eye line, when I'm changing direction or I'm going through some intersection, in my form practice, can I open my awareness beyond my intention, beyond my eye line? Maybe that's hearing, maybe that's hackles on your neck, on the back of the neck, maybe it's a vibe, maybe it's vibration or smell or whatever. But perhaps a way to do that is just to try and open my awareness before the transition and maintain it through the transition. But perhaps I just pause and I still myself, quiet my body and my mind, expand my awareness through the intersection of the next piece, the next section, the next move, the next direction. So, simple idea. I trust that that'll be somewhat enjoyable for you. Please don't do this in an actual boulevard. Thank you. And thank you for your tips that keep food in the belly. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.